You don't understand your parents until you become one. Through life, you learn a lot of lessons, but the real ones, no one can teach you those, because they haven't lived your life. They haven't walked in your shoes. Your parents can try. They give you advice. They tell you what's right, but you don't listen. Not really. You nod. You hear it, but you don't feel it. Not until later, because it's only when you get older, only when life hits you a bit, that you start thinking, yeah, they were right. And the biggest one, you don't understand your parents until you become one. Because parenting, that's a different level. No one prepares you for that. You don't get a day off. You don't switch it off. Even when you're not with them, you're thinking about them. Are they all right? Do they need anything? Have I done enough? You're not just living your life anymore. You're responsible for someone else's. You become the protector, the provider, the one they look to for everything. You're not driving your car anymore. You're a taxi driver for the most important thing in your life. And all you want to do is keep them safe. And here's the hard part. You try your best. You teach them kindness. You tell them to be themselves, not compare to anyone else, to grow in their own way, because the world can be a lonely place if you don't have that. But life doesn't always go the way you planned. I didn't get to be a full-time dad. 2 divorces changed that. And that hurts in a way you can't explain. Not being there every day, missing moments, missing time you don't get back. That pain, it stays with you. The stress, the anxiety, the thoughts that go round your head constantly. And the only thing that kept me going was believing one day they'd understand. And they did. Now I'm the one they come to, the one they trust, the one they talk to. And that means everything. So to every parent out there, doing your best, even when it's hard, even when no one notices, respect. Because it's one of the most unrecognized things in life, raising kids properly, showing up, being there, giving everything without expecting anything back. So give yourself some credit, seriously. And if any of this hits home, if you've been through it or you're going through it right now, I've shared my full story. Breakdowns, the rebuild, everything in between. Unlockyourpromise.com or link in the bio. Kind, give love freely, work on yourself, and don't take the time you've got for granted.